Peace be upon you. Most of us think that the best source of protein is eggs. But do you know that there are many things even better than that, foods that have several times more protein than eggs? 100 grams of eggs give you only 13 grams of protein. But in this video, we will talk about foods that give you many times more protein, foods that 99% of seniors don't even know about. When they don't get enough protein, they become weak, find it hard to move around, feel constant fatigue, and have difficulty doing everyday tasks. This also increases the risk of falling and stumbling. So, without delay, let's find out the complete details of all these protein-rich foods. Number 1. Greek yogurt. You've probably heard about the benefits of yogurt. But most seniors don't know that there's a special kind of yogurt called Greek yogurt, which is very thick and has no cream at all, but it has a lot of protein. Just 100 grams give you over 10 grams of protein, whereas a boiled egg gives only 6 grams. That means this yogurt gives you almost twice as much strength as eggs, and without fat. This yogurt is special because it is strained 3 times, removing the water and sweet part of the milk, leaving behind only a thick and powerful yogurt. According to research, if seniors take just 20 grams of dairy protein daily, for example, from this yogurt, less than a quarter kilo, and combine it with light exercise, their muscles improve by up to 25% in just 12 weeks. The best part is, this yogurt is easily digestible, especially for people who cannot tolerate milk. For maximum benefit, do not take sweetened or flavored yogurt, only plain, non-fat Greek yogurt. If you like, you can add flaxseed powder or fresh fruits to it. You can also have it with lassi, smoothies, chutney, or salad. Number 2. Chickpeas. In second place are chickpeas. Just 100 grams of cooked chickpeas give you 11.2 grams of protein, much more than an egg. And it's not just about protein, chickpeas also contain fiber, which is very important for seniors. Fiber improves digestion, keeps blood sugar under control, and reduces inflammation in the body. These 3 things together help keep your muscles strong as you age. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who ate plant-based protein like chickpeas daily had up to 26% less chance of muscle loss because it reduces inflammation and improves gut health. Chickpeas also have magnesium, which is necessary for proper muscle function and faster muscle recovery. For maximum benefit, soak them overnight before cooking. This makes them easier to digest. You can make hummus from chickpeas by adding olive oil and garlic, roast them for a crispy snack, or use them in dal, curry, or soup. Number 3. Quinoa. In third place is quinoa. Most people think quinoa is just an expensive, fancy grain, but in reality, it's highly beneficial for seniors. Especially if you're over 60, you should definitely include quinoa in your diet. Just 100 grams of cooked quinoa gives you up to 14 grams of complete, healthy protein. Complete and healthy means it has all 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot produce on its own. That's why this protein is easily absorbed and helps build muscles. It's especially great for seniors because it contains lysine, an amino acid that helps strengthen muscles, improve calcium absorption, and make skin healthier. According to a 2022 study, seniors who ate quinoa daily increased their leg strength by 9% in just 8 weeks, while those who ate white rice saw no major improvement. For maximum benefit, soak quinoa overnight. This reduces certain compounds called saponins that can limit its benefits. You can add turmeric and black pepper to reduce inflammation and irritation inside the body. Quinoa can be eaten as a warm salad, with vegetables, or even for breakfast. Just 3/4 cup daily can noticeably improve your muscle strength and energy. Number 4. Pumpkin seeds. In fourth place are pumpkin seeds, which bodybuilders eat regularly, but most seniors ignore. Did you know that 100 grams of pumpkin seeds have up to 19 grams of protein? That's almost double the protein in eggs. Along with protein, they contain magnesium, iron, and zinc, 3 minerals that often decline after age 60. Magnesium helps muscles relax and contract. Iron helps make blood, which carries oxygen to the muscles. Zinc helps repair muscles and build new cells. For healthy muscles, you need both protein and these minerals. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Foods found that people who ate pumpkin seeds reduced muscle inflammation by 38% in just 12 weeks. That means you're not only strengthening muscles but also repairing them from the inside. The best way to eat them is raw and unsalted. You can sprinkle them on yogurt, blend into smoothies. Even one handful a day can make a big difference in muscle strength and recovery. Number 5. Spirulina. In 5th place is spirulina, a type of algae considered the world's best muscle-building food. Just 100 grams of spirulina contain about 29 grams of protein, 3 times more than eggs. The special thing about spirulina is that your body absorbs its protein very easily. Around 85% of the protein goes directly to the muscles. It contains all the amino acids needed to build, repair, and strengthen muscles. Spirulina also has a special compound called phycocyanin, which reduces inflammation in the body. A 2022 study showed it can lower CRP, C-reactive protein, levels by up to 32%. When inflammation goes down, muscle breakdown also slows. It also boosts nitric oxide, which improves blood flow to muscles, enhancing both energy and recovery. The best way to use it is to add it to a smoothie, for example, with kale or spinach and some walnuts. Just 1 tablespoon of spirulina a day is enough, and within a few weeks you'll feel a difference in your energy and muscles. Number 6. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds, which people often sprinkle on smoothie bowls, are another food most seniors are unaware of. These seeds are extremely beneficial for muscle building. Just 100 grams of hemp seeds have 34 to 35 grams of protein, a very powerful plant-based protein source. Hemp seeds contain all 9 essential amino acids in the perfect balance for building muscles. As you approach age 60, muscles start to weaken, so complete proteins like this become very important. A 2021 study found that seniors who regularly ate complete proteins like hemp seeds had stronger muscles, faster workout recovery, and more strength. They also contain omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, especially GLA, which reduces joint inflammation, supports the brain, and is great for heart health. The best way to eat them is raw. Add a spoon to your oatmeal or blend into smoothies. You can also sprinkle them over roasted vegetables, but never cook them on high heat, as it damages their healthy oils. If you want a simple, tasty, and powerful food that strengthens muscles and digests easily, try hemp seeds. Number 7. Seitan. Now let's talk about a food that has more protein than meat, but most people have never heard of it. It's called seitan, also known as sweet meat. 100 grams contain up to 29 grams of protein. It's made from wheat protein. Gluten, starch and fiber are removed from wheat, leaving only protein. The best thing about it is that it's easy to digest, perfect for seniors with slow digestion. It has no saturated fat and doesn't cause inflammation in the body like meat does. According to 2022 research, eating seitan can make muscles 21% stronger compared to those who eat only regular foods. It's also low in carbs and almost fat-free, making it perfect for people with diabetes, high cholesterol, or those wanting to lose weight. It tastes like meat, so it can be a great meat alternative. For best results, eat seitan with vegetables rich in vitamin C, like bell peppers or kale. This helps absorb the small amount of iron it contains. One caution: people with gluten allergies should avoid seitan. So, these were 7 of the best foods that give you more protein than eggs, scientifically proven and especially beneficial for seniors. Every year, seniors lose about 1% of their muscle mass, and by the time they realize it, it's often too late. But by choosing the right foods, this process can be stopped. No pills or supplements needed, just real foods that the body can absorb easily. Make these foods part of your plate, and you'll see improvements in your strength and mobility. Thank you for watching this video and for visiting the channel. If you enjoyed the video, please like and share. And if you're here for the first time, subscribe to the channel.